Hello, I'm Linda, your IBS exhibitor avatar, here to walk you through using your customer invitation tools. Customer invitations are free to IBS exhibitors and come with unlimited use. Pass along a free expo pass to as many of your customers as you want. Each exhibitor should have received an email from expoinvite@nahb.org containing your customer invites dashboard link. If you did not receive this email, please contact the expo team and we can help you. Your customer invites dashboard contains several tools for you to use to send your customers an invitation to register for a free expo pass. First, go to Edit My Information. Here, you can verify that your contact information is correct. Enter a company description, which should be no more than 450 characters, and upload a company logo. The logo, description, and your booth number will appear at the top of your company landing page. Next, go to See My Landing Page. This gives you a preview of your customized invites landing page, which is the gateway for your customers to get to your company's registration page. You have two options. You can share this landing page directly to social media, or you can copy the landing page link to use when posting your banners to social media, your website, or in your email signature. The next tile on your dashboard is Invite My Network. This is where you will find a customized email template. When you click on the Send Invites button, you can choose to send a single invite by email, or you can choose to upload a list to send to multiple contacts. This list is private and will not be accessed by anyone but you. You also have the option to export the email template, which will give you an HTML file that you can load into your own email platform. To find your custom banner ads, click on Email Signature and Social Graphics from your dashboard. When selecting a banner ad, click Get Customized Banner, which will generate a banner ad that includes your booth number. Next, you can either choose to download your banner ad or select to copy embedded code to use on your website. Don't forget to link your banner ads to your landing page URL. This is how your customers will get to your invites registration page. If you need ideas for social media posts, you can click Social Media Tools from your dashboard. This will take you to a page that contains sample social media copy to use in your posts. Remember to use hashtag IBS2024. And as always, if you have any questions, send an email to the Expo Sales team. We are ready and happy to assist you. We are looking forward to seeing you at the Builders Show